Welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and today we're going to talk about how to view the app size or the different app sizes of all the apps installed on your computer. So, when you go to, for example, the programs and features, you often see the size of your programs. And but one thing that's missing in that option is that you don't see the size that's actually taken up by your different apps. So if you're wondering how to maybe save space, maybe your Windows install is in a very small drive, or maybe the partitioning of your drive makes it kind of a little difficult to really put more stuff on it. What you can do is actually go and check the different apps and how much space they use on your hard drive. And to do that, all you have to do is go into that little search on your start screen and click App Size. And here you'll see App Sizes. Just click there. And it's going to actually take maybe a minute or two. It's going to go through all the different apps you have on your computer. And it's going to give you a list. So here you see all the apps I've got installed and their different sizes. So it tells me, for example, that my two biggest apps are actually Halo Spartan Assault and Star Chart. So if you know the size of their apps and you know that you don't use such an app, for example, I don't use Halo Spartan Assault anymore, I could go and get 1.59 gigabyte over here. Now, on the same screen where you have the size of all the apps that are installed on your computer, you also have one thing that's very important. It's that at the top it tells you how much space is left. For example, it tells me that I have 229 gigabytes of space still available on my PC. So I don't really need to uninstall an app if I don't want to, because I still have a lot of space. But if you're really going crazy about space on your hard drive, then just check the different apps, how much space they use, and remove whatever app you just don't use at all. So for example, I don't use Media Player Lite. So take note of what you have, and you can click the app and actually you have the uninstall button available right there. So every time you see an app that you don't use and you want to remove, well, you don't have to go to that start screen and right click on the app and click on install or so on. Every time you just click on one of the app or touch, if you have a touch screen, you have the uninstall button available right there on your computer, so you can actually remove any apps that you don't use anymore. It's also a great way to have all your apps visible in an easy and convenient fashion, so that you can, from time to time go through that list and just uninstall anything that you don't use, that you never want to use on your computer actually. So that's pretty cool for that. So like I said, if you are wondering how much space all of your apps are actually using, then simply go to that little search on your Windows screen, your start menu screen, sorry. And so let's just move out again. You click that search in your start screen, and you just write app size, and you'll see app sizes in the list. Click there, and it's gonna actually check all the apps and how much space they actually use on your computer. If you enjoy our videos, why not subscribe to our channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions on what you've seen, let us know. And maybe you have a app, maybe you have a new computer with Windows 8 and you're a little lost, then of course don't hesitate. You can actually check our different videos to help you learn more and more on Windows 8 and how to use Windows 8 to the max. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.